the first diplomatic reception in the year 2021 to mark the 71st anniversary of India's Republic Day. Friends, the President of the Republic of India, in his address today, said that we should look at 2020 as a year of learning. Yes, there were many challenges to our economy and to our way of life during 2020. But yet there were miracles too. In India, there was a farming miracle when our food, herbal and traditional medicine sector saw enormous growth. There was an IT miracle when almost all types of industrial, commercial, social and educational activities were held in virtual mode. There was a scientific miracle when within 1 year we were able to produce 2 vaccines on our own, administer them domestically, and have already supplied them to no less than 15 countries in the world and counting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a call of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, or Self-Reliant India Mission. Under this mission, steps have been taken for economic growth as well as employment generation by promoting micro, small and medium enterprises and making the startup ecosystem more robust. It has become a movement being taken forward by people themselves. Excellencies, dear friends, relations between India and Nigeria rest on a solid foundation of age-old, long-standing ties based on deep mutual respect, goodwill, and shared concerns and priorities. During 2020, despite the pandemic, there were several important and positive developments in our cooperation. Our relations were comprehensively reviewed in a 75-minute long virtual meeting between the 2 foreign ministers, Dr. Jaishankar and His Excellency Mr. Onyema, in September. The Nigerian Industry and Trade Minister, the SNT Minister and the ICT Minister all had bilateral interactions in virtual mode with their counterparts in India. We supported each other in multilateral fora including UN and WTO. More than 15 business events were held with substantial success. Defense industries and R&D organizations discussed important areas of mutual interest. An MOU on cooperation in the peaceful uses of outer space was signed in August. Considering that the last direct flight between India and Nigeria was in 1989, more than 30 years ago,
we appreciate the cooperation and assistance of international partners that have helped Nigeria in strengthening the efforts in combating the effects of the virus. Allow me at this juncture to use this opportunity to assure all and sundry that the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari is committed in its resolve to tackle the various developmental issues and security challenges facing our dear country. We therefore call on friendly countries, among which is the Republic of India, to partner with us as we decisively combat the menace of insecurity that bedevils our country and the sub-region. Once again, I wish to use this opportunity to congratulate the government and the people of India on the 72nd National Day anniversary of the Republic of India, and I wish you a very happy celebration. Okay, I will now raise a toast to the health and well-being of the Prime Minister of the Republic of India, His Excellency Narendra Modi.
I saw him walking up to that shop. So, I saw him going out. I saw him going out.